What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add a complete, powerful and free social sharing system to your WordPress website. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for friends of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing to do is understand the why, okay? Having social sharing buttons to your WordPress posts, to some of your pages, to some of your content, it's really important because it integrates the social proof to your site, let the users and visitors the opportunity to share your content, and you're gonna get more engagement and more sharings, okay? How to do this for free without coding is what we're gonna start learning now. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin submenu. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to keyword, there is a field called search plugins. Click on it and type social snap. Just like this. And the guy that you're looking for is this guy right here. Social share button, social sharing icons, click to tweet, social media plugin by social snap. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. Click into the activate button once again. This is gonna redirect you to the plugin welcome page, a plugin page that you can see the options you have, the features, a read guide, and we're gonna click into this blue button, customize social snap. This is gonna move us to the plugin editor panel, okay? And from here we have social followers, click to tweet, and social sharing. We're gonna move to social sharing, and right here we have the floating sidebar. In the case that you want this floating sidebar, you can enable or disable. We're gonna disable this, and we have the option to share, and we can apply other options, for example mix, email, print. We can of course organize this, change the name, change the label, have options to display it on mobile or desktop, or remove in the case that you want. We can force the refresh now for cache. After doing the change, hit the save change button. Let's see the inline buttons now. We can enable or disable. I recommend that you enable. We can change the style of the buttons in the case that you need it. Up to you, up to your site design, okay? We can play with the position. We can apply this above the content, below the content, or in both sections, above and below. Once again, up to you. We can make it small, regular or big, large. We can share the share counts. And we can make these buttons appear into custom post types, into pages, into home, into posts only, into products, up to you, okay? I would recommend that you have social sharing for the button, for the buttons for your posts and for your products of WooCommerce. After doing all your changes, you can hit the save change button. And if you go to any of your posts on your blog or on your products, if you have set this, you're gonna be able to see the social sharing buttons working for you. Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site, or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a platform where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built type sites that you can import with a single click, in addition to premium themes, assets, templates, plugins, widgets, blocks, and our full support. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!